Have you ever been the oldest sibling? The one expected to keep it all together? The one who watches over others? The one who's strong for everyone else, even when no one's strong for you? That's Miriam. Her name doesn't come up as often as Moses or Aaron, but make no mistake, Miriam's story is powerful. She was brave, she was bold, she was a leader, a worshiper, and, like all of us, she was human. Let's dive into her story. Our story starts in Egypt. The Israelites were slaves, living under the harsh rule of Pharaoh. Pharaoh gave a cruel command. Every baby boy born to the Hebrews must be thrown into the Nile. Into this horror, a baby was born, his name Moses. But his mother refused to let him die. She hid him, and when she couldn't hide him anymore, she put him in a basket and set it afloat on the Nile. And who watched from the shore? Miriam, his big sister, brave, young, alert. Then came Pharaoh's daughter. She found the baby. She wanted to keep him. And Miriam stepped in. "Shall I go and find a Hebrew woman to nurse the baby for you?" Pharaoh's daughter said yes. Miriam brought her mother, and just like that, Moses was raised in safety. All because of Miriam's courage. Moses grew up, God called him, and the Israelites were finally freed. After Pharaoh's army was drowned in the Red Sea, the people stood in shock. And Miriam? She picked up a tambourine. She led the women in worship and dancing. "Sing to the Lord, for he has triumphed gloriously. Horse and rider he has thrown into the sea." Miriam was a worship leader. Her voice reminded people who God is and what he had done. But Miriam also stumbled. She and Aaron began to speak against Moses. Has the Lord only spoken through Moses? Hasn't he also spoken through us? But this wasn't really about Moses' wife. It was about jealousy, about pride. God heard. He called them out. And when the cloud lifted, Miriam's skin was covered in leprosy. Aaron cried out. Moses begged God to heal her. God said yes, but not right away. She had to spend 7 days alone, outside the camp. A week to be humbled, a week to reflect. But the people waited. They didn't move forward without her. Even after failure, Miriam still mattered. Miriam's life had high moments, courage, worship, leadership, and low ones, jealousy, consequence, isolation. But through it all, her story reminds us, leadership isn't about perfection. Worship reminds us of who God is. Jealousy can damage, but humility can restore. And God's grace always makes room for redemption. So if you've ever been the strong one, if you've ever fallen short, if you've ever needed another chance, remember Miriam. God saw her, God used her, and God still honored her, because he's not looking for perfect people, just faithful ones.